Hello everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Gonna prepare another meal because I'm hungry. Are you hungry? I hope you're hungry. I hope you like it. Today we're gonna be making, or I'm gonna be making a sushi bake, or baked sushi. A friend of mine made this for me probably a couple years ago now. So it was really good. I was impressed with it. It was probably about 2 years, a year, maybe 2 years. Anyway, nonetheless, it was good. I'm a fan of sushi, so I figured I'd give it a try. Watched a couple videos, got the general idea of it. I'm gonna try to mess around with it, see how it comes out. Hopefully, it comes out okay. I don't have measurements, so that's gonna, or well, to a degree, I don't have measurements. What measurements I do have, I'll share them in the video, and we'll do good. I'm gonna try to do it as smoothly as I can, because I'm not very good at editing, as y'all will see in some of my other videos. I'm trying to get better, but anyway. So let's try to work on getting started. We have, so the meal is baked sushi. It's not very, I would say, labor intensive. Time wise, I don't think it's very, I would say it's very time wise, what's the word I'm looking for? Give me a second, I'll think of it. It doesn't really take a lot of time. I was trying to be fancy with it, but it didn't work out. So anyway, let's get started. I'll go over the ingredients that I have and that I'm using, some of the things that I had thought about after I'd already got the ingredients, and that possibly would have been pretty, I think it might have turned out pretty good. So here we go, let's check this out. Swap the cameras around. So we got some cream cheese for the mix, some fukake for the rice vinegar. This rice vinegar is already seasoned, so it has sugar and also added in with the vinegar. Sriracha, I don't know the name of it, so please don't, and plus if I did know it, I'd probably pronounce it wrong. We got the Asian mayonnaise, got some nori in the back, we got some crab meat. I'm not really sure what the actual amount is. Sushi rice is already made. I didn't go over that because it's rice. Technically, the only difference that I saw in the instructions were letting it sit, after you washed it, let it sit for 30 minutes in the water. I did that, cooked it. It's already cooked, so that's one less thing we have to worry about. Okay, so it was recommended that the cream cheese not be completely cold for the mixing of it. So the first thing I'm gonna start on, because I'm still letting this kind of warm up just a little bit to room temperature, or as close to room temperature as possible. I'm gonna get started on the rice. So let's get started on the rice. Three tablespoons of vinegar, the rice vinegar. I want to call it rice wine vinegar. It's not, it's just rice vinegar. So sorry about that if I do mispronounce that. Ooh, you can smell the vinegar. So there's that. And it just says to mix it up, just season it. See, yeah, you can see it. Well, I can't tell if my fat butt's in the way or not, but I'm trying to stay out of it. This should help keep the rice sticky, which sushi rice is normally sticky or stickier. So there's that. Add a little bit of salt. If I'm missing anything or doing anything wrong, let me know. I'm learning. Alright, so that's got that mixed up. That didn't take very long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start putting it in my pan. My pans, plural. Didn't really say how thick to make it, so I'm gonna do what I can. So this is one I'm gonna try. Put 2 layers to, just to see what happens. Might taste good, might not make no difference at all. But hey, can't be scared to try new things. So there we go. Got a nice little base layer. Get the nori. Cut this stuff open. Bear with me. Just get them to cut the nori. Yeah, I've tried this stuff raw, or not raw, but by itself, and was not the biggest fan of it. So, like I said, bear with me. But I'm not afraid to try it, and I'm not just making this for myself. And it says, it also says, I think it says it's roasted. I thought I saw somewhere on here somewhere roasted. I could be wrong. So we got our sheet of nori. Fold it in half. Come on, pop apart. Pop apart. There we go. So that's got. Let me get the stuff in here. The other part. So you got the fukake rice seasoning. So again, hopefully this translates well. Let's see if I can get a better angle at it. There we go. Yep, I'm still recording too. I had to think for a second there. So anyway. that one. Probably could have put a little bit more rice in there. Should have. Oh well. Might do that real quick. Like, let me just throw a little bit more in the corners here. Hopefully there's no too much fukake roll. I don't know. A little bit more fukake on it in the corners. Alright, so that's that. That's got that taken care of. Hopefully. Put it in there. Yep. So let's set these aside. Now let's work on the crab meat. Oops, sorry about the bang, loud noises. So anyway, so like I said, I don't have any measurements, so we're going to see. I'll definitely use more of the mayonnaise than sriracha. This, for anybody who's never done it before, this bottle feels weird. Let's see, let me take that lid off. Oh no, it's just very flimsy. It's just weird feeling. So we get some mayonnaise. Hopefully that's enough. We're gonna find out. Don't know how much that was. So got the cream cheese. Hopefully it won't be all right. So yeah. I didn't get a whole lot because of the fact that I was using little pans. So I was hoping that it wouldn't take too much. See what happens. Alright, let's put it in the oven. To make it a little bit easier, I'm just going to put the two containers on the one. Make it a little bit easier to handle. we got that in the oven. So let's see. I'm gonna set it for 10 minutes to bake. And I'm also gonna turn the inside light on if I can find it. Ah, there it is. So that way I can kind of keep an eye on it as it's baking. And we'll come back in 10 minutes and see what we're looking at. All right, almost done. Let's see what we're looking at. All right, turn it off. Wow, it's got a nice smell to it. Almost looks like macaroni and cheese. Oddly. Turn the oven off. It came out, I guess it came out all right. Looks okay. Don't know what else to do with it but eat it. But unfortunately it's scalding hot and I'm not crazy enough to put my mouth on it yet. So I'm gonna let it sit for another 10 minutes or so, and then we'll see what it tastes like. All right, so I decided to do 15 minutes just to be on the safe side. So let's see what we got. I can't remember which one was which, so we're gonna figure this out together. So this is just is this the rice or nori rice? I don't know. I think this is just the rice. And this one should be the one with the layer of nori in it. Yes, there it is. And I'm making a mess. That's what I'm doing. Hooray for making a mess. But I can smell the sriracha. So, let's see, let's check it out. Well, yeah. Oh, but I can tell you, I got a sriracha though. Sriracha kicking. Should have had some chicken. But it's good. I like it. For the first time? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Y'all have a great day. God bless. Stay safe. And do great things. I almost forgot that last time. I did forget last time. So let me end this. Let me end this the right way. God bless. Stay safe. And do great things. God bless.